Hello and welcome to this English listening practice video, specially made for beginners. If you are learning English and want to improve your listening skills, this video is perfect for you. You don't need to worry about fast speech, big words, or complicated grammar. Here we speak slowly, clearly, and use easy words that you can understand and remember. Learning English takes time and practice, but don't worry. Every time you listen, you improve. So don't be afraid to pause, repeat, and practice with me. Today, I will tell you a short and simple story. It's a story that uses everyday English, words and sentences that you can use in your own life. I will pause during the story to help you listen and speak along. You can repeat after me. This will help you understand better and speak more confidently. At the end of the story, I will ask you some questions to help you review what you've learned, and we'll practice some new vocabulary together so you remember the important words. Are you ready to begin your English journey with me today? Grab your headphones, find a quiet place, and let's start learning English together. Let me tell you a story about a boy named Sam. Sam is 12 years old. He lives in a small, peaceful town. His house is small, but very nice. He lives with his mother, father, and his little sister. Sam loves his family very much. He is a kind boy. He helps his parents clean the house and wash the dishes. Sam is also friendly. He smiles at everyone he meets. Sam has two pets, a brown dog named Max and a white cat named Coco. He loves them like his best friends. Let's repeat some of the sentences together. Sam is 12 years old. He lives in a small town. He has a dog and a cat. Sam is kind and friendly. Practice speaking aloud. Listen and repeat slowly. This will help your pronunciation improve. Now let's talk about Sam's morning routine. Every morning, Sam wakes up at 7 a.m. He gets out of bed, stretches his arms, and says, "Good morning." First, he brushes his teeth. Then he washes his face and takes a quick shower. After that, he puts on his school uniform. His mother prepares a healthy breakfast, bread, eggs, and milk. Sam eats his breakfast and says, "Thank you, Mom." Then he packs his school bag and gets ready to leave. Sam does not take the bus. He walks to school. The school is not far. It takes him only 10 minutes to walk. On the way, he waves to his neighbors and smiles at the children playing outside. Let's repeat. Sam wakes up at 7 o'clock. He brushes his teeth and takes a shower. He eats breakfast with his family. He walks to school every day. This is a great way to learn daily routine vocabulary. Repeat these phrases often. A day at school. When Sam arrives at school, he says hello to his classmates. He sits at his desk and takes out his books. The bell rings, and the teacher enters the classroom. Sam's favorite subject is English. He loves learning new words and reading short stories. He also enjoys science and learning about plants and animals. At 10:30, there is a short break. Sam goes to the schoolyard and plays football with his friends. They laugh, run, and enjoy the fresh air. After break, Sam goes back to class. He listens to the teacher and writes in his notebook. Sometimes he asks questions if he doesn't understand. He is a good student and always tries his best. Let's repeat together. Sam likes English. He plays football during break time. He listens to the teacher and takes notes. School is a great place to learn and make friends. Can you name your favorite subject in English? School finishes at 2 p.m. Sam says goodbye to his friends and walks home. When he gets home, he takes off his shoes and puts away his bag. His mother asks, "How was school today?" Sam says, "It was great." I learned a lot. He eats a light lunch, then takes a short nap. After resting, he does his homework. He takes about 1 hour to finish his schoolwork. When he's done, Sam sometimes watches a cartoon or reads a book. If the weather is nice, he plays outside with Max, his dog. Let's repeat these phrases. Sam finishes school at 2 o'clock. He does his homework after lunch. He plays outside with his dog. This is how we describe daily activities. Try to say what you do after school or work in English. Evening and bedtime. In the evening, Sam eats dinner with his family. They sit at the table together and talk about their day. They laugh, share stories, and enjoy their time. After dinner, Sam helps clear the table. He washes the dishes or dries them with a towel. Helping at home is part of his daily life. Then he brushes his teeth again, changes into his pajamas, and reads a book in bed. At 9 p.m., his mother turns off the light and says, "Good night, Sam." He replies, "Good night, Mom." Then he sleeps peacefully. Let's repeat together. Sam eats dinner with his family. He helps clean up after dinner. He goes to bed at 9 p.m. A good bedtime routine helps you sleep well and feel fresh the next day. Comprehension questions. Check your understanding. Now let's check your understanding of the story. I will ask you 10 simple questions. After each question, I will pause so you can answer. Don't worry if you don't know all the answers. This is just practice. Are you ready? Let's begin. What is the boy's name? Pause. How old is Sam? Pause. Who does Sam live with? Pause. What pets does Sam have? Pause. What time does Sam wake up in the morning? Pause. What does Sam eat for breakfast? Pause. What is Sam's favorite subject at school? Pause. What does Sam do during break time? Pause. What does Sam do after school? Pause. What time does Sam go to bed? Pause. Host. After questions. Well done. You're doing great. If you missed a few answers, that's okay. You can go back, listen again, and practice as much as you like. Vocabulary review. Learn key words. Let's now review some important English words from the story. I will say the word, give the meaning, and use it in a sentence. Please repeat after me to improve your pronunciation. A pet is an animal you keep at home. Example, Sam has 2 pets, a cat and a dog. Repeat, pet. Uniform clothes you wear to school or work. Example, Sam wears a school uniform every day. Repeat, uniform. Brush to clean something with a brush. Example, Sam brushes his teeth every morning. Repeat, brush. Subject a class or topic you study at school. Example, Sam's favorite subject is English. Repeat, subject. Homework, schoolwork you do at home. Example, Sam does his homework after lunch. Repeat, homework. Dinner, the evening meal. Example, Sam eats dinner with his family. Repeat, dinner. Bedtime, the time to go to bed. Example, Sam's bedtime is 9 p.m. Repeat, bedtime. Great job! You learned new words, practiced pronunciation, and understood the story better. Listening and repeating will help you become more confident in English. Final closing. Keep going. Great job, my friend. You listened to the whole story, answered the questions, and practiced many new words. That is something to be proud of. Remember, learning English is like planting a tree. You must water it every day, just a little, and one day it will grow strong and beautiful. It takes time. It takes patience, but it works. Today you learned about Sam's daily life, how he wakes up, goes to school, helps at home, and goes to bed. These are simple things, but they help you build a strong foundation in English. You also practiced listening, speaking vocabulary, and understanding simple sentences. Don't stop now. You can listen to this video again tomorrow, or even now, and each time you will understand more. The more you listen, the faster you learn. If you liked this video, please click like and subscribe to this channel. I will make more stories and lessons just for you to help you improve your English step by step. And remember, you don't have to be perfect to be proud of your progress. Just keep going, keep listening, and keep believing in yourself. Thank you for learning with me today. I'm proud of you. See you in the next video. Bye for now, and keep practicing.